Welcome to the Jim's Group How-To channel. This is a series of videos we put together from the experience of our more than 40 divisions and close to 5,000 franchisees. We're going to show you how to do common tasks, how to look after your garden, how to prune, how to cut long grass, clean, how to control weeds, look after the house, how to clean an oven, how to clean windows effectively and fast. We're going to show you how to wash a dog and how to do it in a way that removes the loose hair and the smell from the dog's coat. How to do various handyman type jobs. How to put together security doors. We're also going to show you how to run a small business successfully, especially the kinds of business, the trade businesses that we're involved in. For example, we can show you how to use social media to reach out to clients, how to use Google to make Google work for your benefit, how to use Facebook. We're going to show you how to give great customer service. We're also going to give you advice on how to live well. Life is more than just business. How to be healthy, how to eat well, how to exercise, how to have a proper work-family life balance. These matters are all interconnected, and we want traders to understand how you can have a great business and a great lifestyle at the same time. So, welcome to the How-To channel. We just hope you enjoy it, and we hope you learn something that will really help you to achieve success in business and in life.